That's right. Okay. Now, I want to quickly put a balloon over this here beaker. Here we go. We're going to leave the other one for just a second. Heat transfer. Now what I'm attempting to demonstrate here is that as heat transfers from those burners into those containers, that heat causes things to expand. The molecules in any substance seem to expand when they're heated up. And that can be demonstrated. You can just watch what that does as I demonstrate this. I need about 5 or 6 people. Uh-oh, something's happening here. For goodness sake. For goodness sake, I need about 6 people. Well, let's have all the people in this row come up here. Wow, that's scaring me a little bit. Only 5? Well, for goodness sake. Linda. Okay, you people represent the molecules in a substance. I want you to get comfortably close together in a group, not in a line. Not in a line, in a group. Group up. Hey, you're getting farther away from me, and you're still in a line. I want you to group. Yeah, make a circle kind of thing. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, these people are too shy. We need more. You people in this row, all 5 of you. Okay, group up, group up, group up. You represent molecules in a substance, like molecules of air in that beaker right there. Now, you are only taking up a certain amount of space. Here, Carrie, would you hold on to that string? I want to confine you people into a certain space. Okay? There you go. Now, this is all the space that you normally take up when you're molecules of air in a beaker. And you're comfortable. Well, you should be. Hey, make a little more comfort in there. Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. Easy, easy. You have to be real still. Now, listen. Molecules of air, when they're in a beaker, are fairly still and calm like these people. But when we put a fire under these people, they start to get active. And the molecules of air get active. So I want you to get a little active right now. Could you? Go ahead. Start getting active. Yeah. Go ahead. Push and shove it. Oh, look what happened. Did you see what happened? You broke out. Do you know why? Because you started to take up more space. And get even more active right now. You can push and jostle a little. Okay, hold it. Whoa, did you see what happened? Some of you are being forced out of the circle. Now you can take your seats again. That's exactly what's taking place in these 2 beakers right now. The molecules of air are getting forced out. And so some are coming up here and filling up this balloon. Now I would like to just put another balloon on this one right here, right now, just to show you something interesting. Whew. Boy, this scares me a little bit. Scares me. Oh, yes, they're burning. You just can't see them. They're burning. 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 And you'll soon see that they are because of what happens here. I hope. Here it comes. You can see that those molecules are jostling, pushing, shoving. They've shoved their way out. So that now now I'm going to crank up the heat just a little bit by lowering this down just a little. We have just a little bit of water in here. It's not just air. There's a little tiny bit of water in the bottom of the beaker. So we also have some water molecules that are helping in the expansion process. Now we're starting to get a little boil here now. Yeah, they're starting to go a little more now. They're getting a little more active because a little more heat was placed on them. So they're boiling and jostling and pushing and shoving a little more than usual. What if it pops on us? Okay, we want that to continue for just a minute. And then we're going to shut the heat off. Woo, boy, that's kind of scaring me. Holy smokers. Well, they're about even now, aren't they? How's the ice doing? Well, it's cutting down deeper and deeper all the time, but that'll take a while. I'd say we're about a third of the way through that ice cube now. Okay, that's boiling pretty good. I'm starting to get scared. I think maybe we better shut the heat off. I think we better shut it down. Well, we have to because I want to show you what happens when you take the heat away. Now, if we take the heat away, what should happen to those air and water molecules? Yes, Craig?
I know what will happen to Blues.
What?
I think they'll probably just stay in the air and float.
Just stay there. Okay, good prediction. Any other predictions? Ashley?
I might think that they might go down a little bit and then they'll stop because it looks like that one on this side.
Yes, on this side?
Yeah, it looks like it's going down right
It is indeed going down. Well, they're both going down. This one looks like it might be going down a little faster than this one. Which means that if, you remember when we had the people up here in a group? If we told them to calm down, we took the heat off, they could go back into a smaller circle again, right? Back into the string. That's what's happening now. The heat's gone away, and they're coming back in to place. Shrinking down, down, down. Cooling, cooling, cooling. Yeah, it's a little bit warm still. They're shrinking, shrinking, shrinking. Well, I want to show you what happens here because that experiment is not finished by any means. We're going to see some more shrinking. But in the meantime, maybe I could show you. It's the same principle with that can crushing experiment we did the other day. The same principle. The molecules of air and water expand out of the can, and they cause the can to lose molecules on the inside. Hey, we can use some of this pink water. This should work. We take an ordinary aluminum can. Again, this has to be done with supervision of a parent or adult. We just need just the tiniest bit of water in the bottom there. And you need to put that on the heat and wait till some steam starts to come out of the can. Then we need a pail of cold water. Hey, look what's happening. That balloon's getting quite small now. Almost back down to original size. This one seems to be holding its shape a little more. Yeah? Oh, this is Luke? Oh, sorry. Oh, yes, indeed. Oh, hey. Oh, there it went. Oh, poor guy. Come on. Come on. Are you sure you're... Oh. Huh. Poor little guy. I'm going to set him up on top right here. There we go. Maybe it has something to do with my new haircut. How are we doing back here? Do we have any steam coming out yet? Did we get that on the right heater? Well, I think so. Oh, hey, look at that. Uh-oh. Something is happening here. Wow, it's even smaller than it was before. It's even smaller than when we started. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Now who can explain that? Vicky. Why? There's some difference, obviously. Yeah, you're right on. Linda. That's it. That's right. I put this balloon on first, correct? See, I put this balloon on as soon as we started